everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making something special, that is millet dil rice. Instead of rice, I am taking here millets. Any millets you can take. So let's go jump into the recipe. Let's make it. So we will roast some ingredients, masala items. What are those? I have roasted this coriander seeds, 2 tablespoons cinnamon stick. I have taken 2 inch of cinnamon stick and 2 inch of ginger, and this is cloves. I have taken 6 cloves and half teaspoon of peppercorns. So we have to roast those things, and later I have added 2 tablespoons of roasted gram dal, and this is done. We have roasted and we will grind this into smooth paste. So 1.5 minutes I have taken to roast these things. So after this we will transfer this to mixer bowl, and we will add some handful of cilantro leaves, that is coriander leaves. We will add along with that and we will grind it into smooth paste. I am just adding little water. How much it requires, that much you can add. As you can see, it requires some more water. So I am adding some more water. We have to make it smooth paste. Let's grind one more time. I have grinded this into smooth paste now. What I am going to add is one more secret ingredient, that is peanut butter. Okay, this one you can buy it also, but I will say you it's very easy. You can make it by yourself. Just roasted the peanuts and grind it into smooth paste, like means it should come like a butter. Like that much you have to grind. Give a little time gap and grind it. You will get it. But you have to try. Don't buy simply outside. You can make it by yourself. It is very easy. If you have an oven, just roast peanuts in the oven. That is very easy comparing to on stove. Roast that peanuts on the oven and then grind it. So 1, 2 and 3 tablespoons I am adding here. So actually you can add some more also if you like it. And we will grind this again, because it should mix to the masala. Okay, let's grind. Wow, it's done. See, we have masala ready, and we have to cook for veggies also. Like let's come add some veggies. Actually you can take whatever you feel like. I have cooked rice. This is a millet rice. Always remember, whenever you want to cook the millets, don't just cook it, but you have to soak the millets before, overnight. I have taken soaked millet, 1 cup, and I have added 2 cups of water. And that vessel I just kept inside of this vessel. What is this? You know, this is a steamer. So steamer I have put water inside, and I have kept one plate inside, and on that I am going to keep this vessel. And I have kept the lid on, and I have let it for cooking only for 20 minutes. So that's it. Then the rice will be like this. I have taken same steamer, and I have kept it for pumpkins and green peas. I have taken fresh green peas. If you don't have, you have to soak that dried one. You have to soak overnight, then it will become soft, then you can cook it. So I am going to steam this for 5 to 10 minutes to soft enough. It shouldn't be overcooked. Look, that one. And what is the ingredients we have now? Veggies, okay, and rice. We have kept it ready, and that masala we have grinded it. That is ready. And one more thing. What is this rice? Dil leaves. Dil rice, right? So this is the dil, right? This one, after it cooks, right, we will just add and cook it for only 1 or 2 minutes. That's it. We should not overcook this one also. Later we will add to the steamer this one, the leaves. Now it's cooked. As you can see here, it's cooked. Now you just place this one. See? Then cover it. Cover it for 1 to 2 minutes, enough, and switch off the gas. Let it be there for again 5 more minutes. It will cook properly. That's it. Okay, we have veggies ready, rice ready, masala ready. Just we have to mix together in a big bowl, and we have to add salt at the end. Why we'll add salt at the end? Always we in our cooking we have learned like adding salt in the beginning only, but I will tell you add it in the end so that it will get only little amount of salt it requires, not more. If you add early, what it requires, like you have to add more salt. So which salt is not that good for our body. So let's reduce it by adding at the end. This is a technique. That's it. We have added all the veggies here. Now we will add cooked rice. Okay, let's add how much you want. You can add. So it is little hard now because I have taken out when it was hot. So it became like this. You can just break it. With on this we are going to add this masala. Adding this paste. I am adding little water, like a quarter cup of water. I am just grinding it because everything will come out properly. Then we can add that also to this. Everything it came out, and just we will add this also to this. One ingredient we didn't add, that is salt. Let's add salt now and mix together. Now you can take a 2 spoon, mix like this. So however you wish, just mix it and close the lid for a while, and that's it, done. You can taste it and see how the taste and all. If salt is less, you can add some more salt. So beautiful, right? Oh my god, it's very nice. I have tasted it also. Salt is also perfect. Masala is not too high. It is like perfect blend. Altogether, it's beautiful. I will just say try it out. Then you see. Okay, this is done, and we will see you in the next video. Namaste. Thank you for watching, and please do share to everyone. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. See you. Bye.